So this is part 2 where we're ready to grade our assignments that were ingested by Doctopus, originally submitted on the Google Classroom. And before we do that, we need to add the Goobric web app, which is quite simple. You just type a search here and there it is right there. I'm not going to install it because I already have it. What's going to happen is you'll run through a couple of permissions requests and it shows up as this eyeball in your Chrome browser. And what I'll do is I'll come back over here and it's going to ask me which rubric do I want to attach from my drive. And remember, I had this rubric already set up in my Google Drive, which is actually in the same folder as the assignments and the grade sheet. So now what I've done is I've taken Doctopus, I've attached the rubric. Actually, the primary teacher, if you're co-teaching, has to do that. And now I can click on the document here, open it up, and it'll bring me to what looks like this. Here's my lab here, all right? Here's my rubric up here, which is great, easy to use. The introduction, which is the first part, all right? I can score a 4, a 3, a 2, a 1. I can give half points if I want, 2.5. I just quickly scroll through to make sure that I can see all the elements that are there. And what we have next is some comments, some audio comments over here, and I can just keep scrolling down, giving my scores here. What I like is that I can email the scores right away to the student, or I can not. I choose to auto advance on submit. So what happens is this is my digital stack right here. As soon as I click submit, Goobric is going to bring the next paper, the next lab report up for my assessing.